ជំរាបសួរនិស្សិតប្រិមិត្តនិងសាស្ត្រាចារ្យ Hello friend. Today I'm gonna talk about bond valuation. ថ្ងៃនេះគ្រូនឹងបង្រៀនអំពីមូលបត្រកម្ចីណាបាទចឹងមុននឹងចូលមូលបត្រកម្ចីស្គាល់អំពីប្រវត្តិគ្រូបន្តិចសិនទៅណាបាទជាអតីតនិស្សិត coursework 2 ឆ្នាំផ្នែកហិរញ្ញវត្ថុនៅកោះតៃវ៉ាន់ PhD in finance coursework from Taiwan នេះគឺជាការឡើងប្រស្រ័យណាឡើងអធិប្បាយចំណងជើងណាបាទដែលយើងបានធ្វើហើយនឹង develop ឲ្យទៅជា journal. This is a topic that I was presenting and it is organized to be a journal. បាទមិត្តភ័ក្តិគ្រូបាអាចារ្យបាទ classmate and advisor នេះគឺជាលទ្ធផលនៃការរៀន coursework 2 ឆ្នាំផ្នែក PhD in Finance 4.33 This is academic achievement and PhD in Finance coursework 2 year 4.33 បាទ Bachelor degree បរិញ្ញាឋានៈបរិញ្ញាបាទ 2.76 ផ្នែកធនាគារហិរញ្ញវត្ថុ Bachelor in Finance Banking with the GPA 2.76 Master degree in Business Administration MBA 3.53 បាទអនុបណ្ឌិត 3.53 ណាបាទពីប្រទេសថៃបាទឋានៈបរិញ្ញានិងអនុបណ្ឌិតពីប្រទេសថៃបាទឥឡូវយើងមកមើលបនវាមានលក្ខណៈយ៉ាងម៉េចណាបាទអញ្ចឹងយើងក៏លោកគ្រូក៏យកជា clear ជាខ្លងមកដើម្បីឲ្យយើងបានងាយយល់លោកគ្រូអាចនិយាយសង្ខេបបន្តិចឲ្យក៏បានប៉ុន្តែគ្រាន់ថាសម្រាប់និស្សិតដែលមិនទាន់បានឆ្លងកាត់អាចទាំងពិបាកយល់បន្តិចណាបាទអញ្ចឹងគ្រូក៏យក clear ខ្លងគេមកដើម្បីឲ្យយើងអានទៅបងប្អូនអាចយល់ណា This is a brief definition of bond. Actually, I can tell you now in a brief word, but because some students just a new one, so it's not easy to understand. So that's why I take some sentence from the textbook and read for you, okay? And the way that I tell you how to read a textbook, because textbook is very long, so you have to know how to take a key word in order to understanding it. Now, one way to look at bond investment is to consider the fact that any investor who purchases a bond is essentially buying a future cash flow stream that the bond issuer or borrower promises to make a per agreement. ការដែលប្រើពាក្យមូលបត្រកម្ចីនឹងមានន័យថាបកសរុបវិញណាបាទអ្នកទិញគឺជាម្ចាស់កម្ចីនេះសរុប clear វាមិញគឺប៉ុណ្្នឹងណាបាទអ្នកទិញគឺជាម្ចាស់កម្ចីហើយនឹងទទួលផលមកវិញជាលក្ខណៈការប្រាក់ស្មើគ្នារាល់គ្រាណាបាទគ្រូបើពាក្យគ្រានេះមានន័យថាម៉េចមានន័យថាវាអាចជា6ខែម្ដងបាទជាទូទៅ6ខែម្ដងណាបាទជាទូទៅគេទូទាត់ការប្រាក់ឲ្យ6ខែម្ដងអូខេហើយចាំដល់រូបមន្តចាំគ្រូប្រាប់ថាការប្រាក់វាមាន2ណាបាទចាំយើងទៅអធិប្បាយនៅកន្លែងហ្នឹងទៀតអូខេបាទ Okay now let's go on okay let's say that you buy 1,000 bond that was issued by the Apple company at 5% interest paid annually for 20 years ឧទាហរណ៍ថាយើងទិញមូលបត្រកម្ចីក្រុមហ៊ុនឯកជនឬក្រុមហ៊ុន Apple នេះ face value វាគឺ 1000 ហើយនឹងទទួលបានការប្រាក់ 5%ការប្រាក់ 5% នេះគេហៅថា coupon rate នៅមួយទៀតគេហៅ yield to maturity rate មួយទៀតណាបាទអានេះគឺ coupon rate ដែលនិយាយមិញថាយើងនឹងទទួលបានការប្រាក់ស្មើគ្នារាល់គ្រានេះគឺគិតជាឆ្នាំណា annually you see that a face value is the 1000 the coupon rate is 5% so you will get interest rate annuity interest rate every period the period is a year not 6 months okay so just take 5% multiplied by 1000 you will get $50 per period per year okay แล้วយើងមកស្គាល់ basic terminology par value ឬ face value គឺមានតម្លៃ$1000មិនយ៉ាងឯង terminology par value is a face value the face value is 1000 coupon rate មិញហ្នឹងគឺ 5% មិនយ៉ាងឯងនេះណាបាទ yeah okay coupon rate is a 5% coupon rate គឺ 5% នេះមិញណាបាទ coupon payment just take 1000 multiplied by 5% $50 ចឹង coupon payment ស្មើនឹង1000 คูណនឹង 5% ឬស្មើនឹង$50ហ្នឹងឯង yeah មើលតទៅនេះគេគុណឲ្យមិញណានេះ okay this is a coupon payment $50 okay maturity date is what when 20 years just a moment ago 20 years is a maturity date it means you can hold that bond till the year 20 or sometimes you can sell it ahead before 20 years យើងអាចកាន់ដល់20ឆ្នាំក៏បានយើងអាចលក់មុនក៏បានដែរណា so 20 years is a maturity date 20ឆ្នាំនោះគឺជា maturity date okay and another word that say yield to maturity that says another return or interest rate វាគឺជាការប្រាក់មួយទៀតដែលគេយកមកគណនាតម្លៃបច្ចុប្បន្ននៃ bond ព្រោះនៅក្នុងអនាគត20ឆ្នាំនេះគេចង់ដឹងថាលុយដែលនឹងទទួលបាននៅពេលបច្ចុប្បន្នទាំងអស់ស្មើប្រមាណបើបានការប្រាក់50គ្រប់ឆ្នាំយើងទៅហើយណាបាទនឹងគឺជាប្រភេទការប្រាក់មួយយ៉ាងទៀតដែលយើងយកមកគណនាឲ្យคล้ายទៅជាតម្លៃបច្ចុប្បន្នដែលយើងចង់ដឹងថាយើងទទួលលុយបានទាំងអស់ប្រមាណទៅនៅ20ឆ្នាំយើងចាយរាល់ឆ្នាំទៅភ្លេចអស់លីងតែផ្នែកគណិតវិទ្យាយើងអាចគណនាបាន okay so yield to maturity just to calculate how much you get in right now because 20 years you might forget it every year you get this every year you get that sum up 20 years you might forget but in mathematics you can calculate the present value the amount of money you might get right nowเมื่อที่เราក្រុមហ៊ុនណាបាទនេះមានក្រុមហ៊ុនច្រើនណាពីលើមកតែក្រុមនេះគឺក្រុមហ៊ុន Nordstrom បាទក្រុមហ៊ុន Nordstrom បាទសូមញ៉ាំតែបន្តិចបាទហើយដល់មកចឹង Nordstrom នេះគឺជាក្រុមហ៊ុនឯកជន so Nordstrom is a company Ltd private company corporation the price is 112.905 តម្លៃ 112.905 collable no what does mean collable it means that the company might buy it before the term but this one said no I mean you have to wait until its maturity collable មានន័យថាដាក់ no មានន័យថាមិនអាចប្រមូលទិញមុនពេលអាយុកំណត់របស់វាបានទេអូខេបាទហើយ rate នេះc'est coupon rate មិញហ្នឹងគឺប្រៀបដូចទៅនឹងអត្រា 5% មិនចឹងឯងអូខេ is an interest rate that investor will get every period 6.95. Okay, maturity date 2028, the 15th March. Yield, another interest rate yield 4.758 that you might take it to calculate how much you get in right now, how much you get right now in the present time. And type of bond BB plus. This is a risky bond. นะคือประเภท bond BB plus មានន័យថា bond នេះមានហានិភ័យច្រើនណាបាទអូខេអញ្ចឹងយើងមើលតើគេគណនា coupon payment យ៉ាងម៉េចណា coupon payment យើងយក face value 1000ហ្នឹងមកគុណជាមួយនឹងcoupon rate ណា for example like here 6.95 okay យើងនឹងឃើញcoupon payment រាល់គ្រា yeah you will see the price 112 okay current price 112 and coupon payment 6.95 okay the face value is 1000 right if you want to see how much you get coupon payment how much is it take 1000 multiplied by 6.95 okay current price ស្មើនឹង 112.905 ណាបាទលក់ក្នុងតម្លៃ 112.905 okay or 112.905 per 100 okay the price is 100 not 1000 not 1000 the price is 100 just a moment I talk មិនគូនិយាយថា1000នេះគាត់គេដាក់ price វាតែ$100ណាបាទ$100អញ្ចឹងដើម្បីគណនាដែលត្រូវទទួលបានប្រមាណយើងមិនត្រូវគុណនឹងការប្រាក់វាប៉ុន្មានការប្រាក់វាគឺ6.95 right បាន112ណាបាទគឺគេដាក់មក1000នេះ1000 face value ណាអូខេ400 okay face value 1000ទៅហើយណាបាទ face value 1000នេះគុណជាមួយនឹងការប្រាក់វាស្មើនឹង the price 1.12 okay នេះណាបាទហើយនេះគឺជាតម្លៃសរុបបូកជាមួយនឹង1000បូកនឹងការប្រាក់បាន112នេះឯងណាបាទគឺពួកយើងហៅថា sell price អូខេអានេះគឺការប្រាក់វាមានន័យថា 1.12 អញ្ចឹងគុណនឹង1000ទៅឃើញប្រមាណអូខេបូកចូល1000ទៅវាឃើញណាបាទពីនឹងឃើញ1129.05 ថ្ងៃណាបាទpercentage okay current price is a percentage 112 so 1.12 yes is percentage បាទអញ្ចឹងយក1000គុណនឹងភាគរយទៅនឹងឃើញតម្លៃវាដែលត្រូវលក់ហើយណាបាទ1129.05 yes power value over here ណា1000 yes power value គឺ1000ណាបាទនេះគេដាក់ per 100ណាបាទអូខេ sorry មិននិយាយខុសណាបាទមានន័យថាហ្នឹងគឺជាភាគរយអានេះគឺជា power value វាគឺ1000ណាបាទអញ្ចឹងនេះគឺរយៈពេលវែងណាបាទហើយយើងគុណការប្រាក់ទៅហើយបូកនឹងការប្រាក់ទៅវាឃើញហើយណាបាទ1129ហ្នឹងឯងណាបាទអូខេនេះគឺជាតម្លៃដែលត្រូវលក់ណាសិក្សាបាទ This is a selling price okay power value multiplied by percentage here 112.905% okay or 1.12 okay in a decimal here យើងបាននិយាយក៏រៀននេះគឺជាការប្រាក់ដែលយកមកដើម្បីគណនាតម្លៃបច្ចុប្បន្នទាំងមូលរបស់មូលបត្រកម្ចី so yield is a return. Okay, yield is a return. Take it to calculate the present value of bond. Type of bond. ประเภทใน bond จังเนี่ยได้เรียน so student have to memorize this word. Okay, when they use treasury bill, it related to the government, the short-term bill. Okay, the short-term bill. And what is a treasury note? We have three words: treasury bill, treasury note, and treasury bond. Okay, treasury bill, the term of treasury bill is less than 1 year. It's a short term. treasury bill នេះមានអាយុក្រោម1ឆ្នាំអាចមកទឹកក៏មាន2អាទិត្យក៏មាន3ខែ6ខែចឹងទៅហើយកាលណាគេប្រើពាក្យ treasury note, the period of treasury note is less than 10 years. Okay, or medium bond less than 10 years. បើគេប្រើពាក្យ treasury note មានអាយុក្រោម10ឆ្នាំ Okay, ពី1ឆ្នាំទៅ10ឆ្នាំបើគេប្រើ treasury bond អាយុវាពី10ទៅ30ឆ្នាំ Okay, so there are three types of keyword. If they wrote down treasury bill is a short-term bond within 0 to 1 year. If they use the word treasury note within 1 year to 10 years, a medium range. If they wrote down like a treasury bond, okay, so it is a long-term bond from 10 up to 20 years or 30 years. So back to the bond that I recommend you. If you invest your money, supposed to buy a bond and keep as long as it is. It is a safe investment. This is guaranteed by the government. For example, like student right now, you are 20 or 18 years old, right? You can buy a government bond, saving for another 30 years or until you retire. For example, like a treasury bond with a term of 30 years. You buy it from now, you are 18, right? So 48, you get some amount of money. You buy one note or you buy 5 notes, it depends on you. If you have more money, invest in bond. It is safe, not risky. Don't invest in stock if you don't know how. អញ្ចឹងមូលបត្រកម្ចីនេះដែលសុខខ្មែរយើងក៏ចឹងដែរខ្ញុំឃើញរដ្ឋគាត់ចេញលក់មិនជាថ្លៃទេអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនដែលមានលុយធ្វើការមកហ្នឹងដកលុយមួយចំនួនទៅទិញ10សន្លឹកឬ100សន្លឹកទៅមើលខ្លួនឯងឥឡូវអាយុមកតែ21ចប់សាលាហ្នឹងបាទទៅធ្វើការគិតមើលទៅតើបនហ្នឹងមានអាយុប៉ុន្មានអាយុ20ឆ្នាំឬ30ឆ្នាំទិញទុកចោលទៅវាជារបស់រដ្ឋាភិបាលអូខេអត់មានបញ្ហាអីទេជាការសន្សំបានការប្រាក់ខ្ពស់ជាងដាក់ប្រាក់សន្សំនៅធនាគារខុសនេះកន្លែងហ្នឹងណាបាទ So why don't you take money saving to save at the bank? At the bank gives you low interest than the government bond. That's why I recommend you buy a bond. Government bond, not corporate bond, okay? A government bond. Okay. Bye. Corporate bond is a private bond. Okay, private bond. What is junk bond? Junk bond is a bond too risky. Like from a table, like a BB, something like that. This is a grade of bond. Bond grade is not good, or we can say junk bond. But junk bond គឺជា bond ដែលមានហានិភ័យខ្ពស់ណាស់បាទ Okay. It's a convertible bond. Convertible bond is a bond that can be converted to a common stock share. See, student who speak English, it's quite clear in English sentence. គឺជា bond អាចបដូរទៅជាភាគហ៊ុនម្ចាស់កម្មសិទ្ធិបានណាសរុបចប់ងាយយល់ Okay. Okay បាទឥឡូវយើងមកមើលតទៅទៀតនៅខាងក្រោមនេះវានឹងចូលនៅក្នុងឧទាហរណ៍ This I don't have to read it. They will show you the next slide. When you buy a bond, what are benefits you get? First, you get annuity interest every period. For example, and the second one, these are interest. For example, like this one bond is mature at the year 15. You get every year $22.50. See? Equally. And when the time comes or when it is mature, you will get your face value back. So you get your face value back and interest every year. Okay, like you save your money at the bank, you have to get your interest every month, every year. They don't let you wait until the year 15. Okay. But the question, should I take it out? Yeah, you can do it. Or if I don't want to take it out, yes, it will be in your bond. Just transfer it to your saving. អញ្ចឹងទិញបនវាបានប្រយោជន៍ការប្រាក់រាល់ខែរាល់ឆ្នាំណារាល់គ្រាអូខេនេះជាឆ្នាំ22.50រហូតទៅដល់ឆ្នាំទី15ដល់គ្រប់ឆ្នាំពឹកនឹងបាន1000មកវិញតែនៅលោកគ្រូនិយាយវិញថាបើខ្ញុំចង់ដឹងថាខ្ញុំបានសរុបហ្មងឥឡូវនេះប្រហែលនេះគឺរូបមន្តនេះ PVA អូខេ PVA អញ្ចឹងត្រូវគណនាមកបច្ចុប្បន្នវិញយើងគណនាការប្រាក់នឹងបំលែងឲ្យមកដល់បំលែងបច្ចុប្បន្ននឹងរយៈពេល15ឆ្នាំយើងប្រើរូបមន្ត present ordinary annuity អូខេអញ្ចឹងនៅក្នុងនេះយើងអាចប្រើ calculator គណនាក៏បានឬយើងប្រើតារាង finance PVA ordinary annuity ហ្នឹងគឺជាចង្កោមនៃលុយរាល់ឆ្នាំស្មើៗគ្នា 22.50 15ឆ្នាំហ្នឹងគណនាអំពីតម្លៃបច្ចុប្បន្នមួយផលប្រយោជន៍ទី1គឺការប្រាក់ផលប្រយោជន៍ទី2គឺ$1000យើងនឹងបានមកវិញនៅឆ្នាំទី15តែត្រូវគណនាមកពីតម្លៃបច្ចុប្បន្នដូចគ្នាអញ្ចឹង$1000នេះវាមានកញ្ចប់តែមួយទេអញ្ចឹងយើងអាចប្រើតារាង present value timetable. So student English, listen carefully. You buy a bond, you get two benefits. First, you get your interest every period equally. So when you calculate to be a present value, you have to use present ordinary annuity. In annuity, there are two types, okay? Ordinary annuity and due annuity. This is ordinary annuity because you get it at the end of the period. So pick up the timetable, financial timetable correctly. So you convert all the interest to be right now, use this formula, and the 1,000 convert it to be present value using a simple present value timetable. Over here, okay? That yield to bond maturity, it is your return 1.24%. And why it's become 2.25%? Because in the formula present value, you take future value divided by 1 plus or i's n refer to 15, okay? 15 year. Yeah, this is This is a coupon payment, yeah, 22.50, yeah, sorry. This is the coupon payment, okay, 22.50. So you get 22.50 all the time, multiple by the value from the present ordinary annuity, and you will get present value of all interest you get within the 15 year. Okay. And what about us? I wanted 1,000. Yeah, it's 1,000. You have to take 1,000 divided by 1 plus all is equal to bond to maturity 1.24% and square 15. So both of them plus together, you will get bonds price right now. ចឹងនៅប្រយោជន៍មួយទៀតដែលយើងទទួលបានគឺ1000ត្រូវយក1000ចែកជាមួយនឹង1បូកឲ្យការប្រាក់ maturity return នេះ 1.24% ហ្នឹងស្វ័យគុណ n របស់យើងគឺ15ពីរហ្នឹងបូកចូលគ្នាយើងបានតម្លៃបនបច្ចុប្បន្នសរុប See? Two of them plus together you get bonds value right now. Okay. Okay, this is another example. Okay. Let's assume you win the North Dakota lottery for 1.2 million. And they offer you 120,000 per year for 10 years. So the term is 10 years, and you will get 120,000 per year. Okay. Let's say we ignore the taxes. The lottery commission will contact you with alternative. Would you like to accept that stream of payment? Okay, the lottery will give you 787,000 right now. No need to take every period. Are you okay? So before you say okay, you have to calculate first. Convert it to be a present value annuity like just a moment ago. Okay. We use present value ordinary annuity. This one, okay? So how is a return you get? 9% here. The term is 10 years. It offer you 120 per year. Like you have coupon payment every term equally, okay? And 9%, okay? This one 9%, okay? If the yield to maturity is a 9%, you will get total 770,119, and the government offer you 787 is higher than what you calculated. Why not? Yeah, we have to accept it. ចឹងបើយើងប្រើរូបមន្តមកគណនានេះណា yield to maturity 6% នេះយើងបានតែ770ទេតែរត់ឲ្យ770ណាំបាច់យកអីប្រចាំឆ្នាំអីទេគឺយកលុយសតប៉ុណ្ណាតា Why not? It's higher than what we calculated. Okay, we have to accept it from the government offer. Okay, this is the way that we have to learn how to calculate it. Okay, an easy example. Equity paid bond, type of bond. If you see the like this, AAA, it means no risk. It's a good grade bond. Okay. If you say 2A, low risk. If you say 1A, risky if the economy declines. So the bond grade A, it depends on the economic condition. BB, some risk. Okay. B, 2B, speculative risky. So from 2B down here, all are risky bond. And which one do we say a junk bond? Okay, a junk bond supposed to be grade C. Okay, we can say grade C to be a junk bond. I mean, too much risky. I mean, company might be bankrupt soon. So how to read the sign of bond. Và nhữngประเภท bond មួយនេះគេបានបញ្ជាក់ឲ្យពី triple A រហូតដល់B 3 ដងនេះអូខេជា bond grade ល្អតែពី B រហូតមកខាងក្រោមគឺជា bond មិនល្អទេមានហានិភ័យខ្ពស់ហ្នឹងបាទមានហានិភ័យខ្ពស់